Let's continue looking at all those categories so you can decide which one you're excited about promoting. First of all, you can get to this page by going up to this tab called Marketplace. After you tap Marketplace, it'll bring you to this page. Now, the video before this one, we talked about arts and entertainment. But let's go on down to something called education. I have made sales from this niche because I don't know why most people don't target education, but I found that there are some products in here that really do convert nicely. So in this video, we want to talk about the categories. I want to show you what's available. So we have arts and entertainment, and under each of these, there are so many sub niches. We talked about the singing method, and let's go back. This one is betting systems, and so you can see what's inside this one. Betting, bonus bagging, value football tips, top vendor Z code, win lords, betting magician, and see, look at the average sale on these, $39.92. And I'm going to show you in a later video how to choose just the right product to see if it's selling in the category that you choose. But I wanted to show you what's available first. So we have cooking, food and wine, and paleo hacks. As you see in this second listing is a very popular product. 3 hot offers: coconut oil, honey, and apple cider vinegar. So if you are crazy about cooking or a particular way of eating, you're going to love this category. Look at this: anabolic cooking, muscle building cookbook, family friendly fat burning meals, paleo recipes. Really, really great category. Let's move on down. E-business and marketing. There's some very popular ones in here. Take surveys for cash has been around for a long time. Google Sniper is a very popular product. Its average sale is $234.87. And I've been following George Brown that put out this Google Sniper for the last 3 years, and he has continually successfully had students make money with his products. He says we've paid out $5 million, $5 million to affiliates. This is one of the best Clickbank offers on this entire digital marketplace. The initial sale is $56.43. The average rebill is $207.41, meaning over time, one customer could bring you in around $200. And let's move on to the next category. And as you see back up here, under cooking, food, and wine, look at all of these subcategories: barbecue, baking, cooking, drinks and beverages, general recipes, regional special diets, special occasions, vegetables, winemaking. And we're in e-business. And then we talked about education. There's employment and jobs. And if you tap this little arrow on the left side of the category name, you'll see the subcategories: cover letters, job listings, job search guides, job skills and training. Under fiction, there's general, games, console games, guides and repairs, general, strategy guides. Green products is a big one. I've made sales from this niche right here, alternative energy. Let's take a quick look at that. I did some Bing advertising a couple years ago and made some sales from this very product. Do-it-yourself home energy system, new power video course, $57.58. Amazing. And later I'll tell you how to promote these courses, and it's going to be really, really exciting. Health and fitness is a huge niche. Look at all of these subcategories inside health and fitness. You have addiction, beauty, dental health, dietary, and so on. We have home and garden. Animal care and pets is a huge niche, and this is actually where I started making commissions from a pet training program. There's home buying, sewing, Arabic, Chinese, English. Look at all of these niches. These are sub niches. There's mobile, parenting and family, politics, reference, self-help. Look at all of this self-help, all of these topics. You would want to niche down and become, you could just completely dominate the internet in one of these areas with one product. Software and services. Oh my, look at all the choices we have here. And then you have spirituality, excuse me, and sports and travel. So there are hundreds, thousands of products to choose from.